Happy 4th of July, guys. The reason why I didn't answer you guys' questions or comments is just because I know today is the 4th of July. In America, if you live in America, then you know what I'm talking about. I did get some awesome clips, honestly. These are better than last year and everything. Um, just want to say that. If you haven't seen last year's video, I will have that video in the description box down below if you want to go watch it. Just note it wasn't as good quality as it was this year. The fireworks that we have is a lot better, but I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting. I will play your game, bro, next Monday, and then I'll do the trends the following Monday. So with all that being said, hope you guys can understand. But happy 4th of July to everyone who lives in America. And those of you who don't, I'm sorry, but grab you some chips, popcorn, drinks, candy, whatever, and enjoy. It's not as long either, so just but enjoy. First firework of the year.
Michelle.
Dang. Last one, guys. That's the show, guys. These are like parachute kind of fireworks as a bonus. I don't know really know. Like they shoot up in the air and then they come down as like a little parachute. Here comes the parachute, guys.
Land almost right on top of it.
Well, you really can't see it though, but